This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. Spacious, renovated and move-in ready. Updated kitchen with custom cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and ceramic floor. Living room plus large family room. Lovely master suite with separate sitting area and updated bath. Replacement windows and hardwood floors. Backyard features 23 by 17 detached brick building, so many possibilities for extra living space, home office, home school, rec room or the best she shed ever. Additional driveway space on the side of the house, great for RV or boat. Chittum Elementary School District. Quiet cul-de-sac. Super convenient location. For more information, review the details below.